Hi friends! Today we're in Vermont, standing on more than 14 acres of pure mountain beauty. If you've been dreaming of a home that combines privacy, views, and endless recreation, this 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath mountain contemporary chalet is exactly what you've been waiting for. The first thing you'll notice is the incredible setting. We're talking immediate access to vast snowmobile trails, plus hiking and mountain biking right outside your door. And those views? They're absolutely outstanding. Rolling mountains, fresh air, and a wraparound deck where you can take it all in every single day. Step inside and the open concept design makes the home feel light, airy, and welcoming. Floor-to-ceiling glass floods the space with natural light and frames the scenery like a living postcard. At the heart of it all is a handsome fieldstone hearth with a wood-burning fireplace, perfect for gathering after a day on the slopes or cozying up on a crisp Vermont evening. On the top floor, you'll find the primary suite, complete with its own private bath and some of the best views in the house. Imagine waking up to sunrises over the mountains. It doesn't get better than that. Down on the lower level, you've got 2 bedrooms plus an office room that could serve as a 4th bedroom if you're using the property as your personal getaway. There's also a full bathroom here, making it easy to host family and friends. Outdoors is where this property really shines. With 14+ acres, you've got room to explore, relax, or just enjoy nature's quiet. You're minutes from Killington, Okemo, and Woodstock, so whether it's skiing, snowboarding, or enjoying a charming New England village, adventure is never far away. In summer, the nearby lakes are perfect for swimming, fishing, or kayaking. Truly a 4-season paradise. This isn't just a house, it's a retreat, a place where you can unplug, recharge, and make memories with the people that matter most. If you've been looking for a Vermont property that delivers big views, plenty of space, and unbeatable access to the outdoors, you'll want to see this one in person. Schedule your tour today and come experience everything.